Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to make vegetable soup for pregnancy easy guide. Start by washing all vegetables and prepping a large pot for simmering. Use low-sodium broth and add hearty vegetables like carrots, spinach, and potatoes for fiber and iron. Gently simmer to keep nutrients intact and season with gentle herbs and a splash of lemon for vitamin C absorption. Taste often and adjust seasoning before serving. Pregnancy changes nutrient needs, so focus on iron, folate, protein, and fiber in your soup. Toss in leafy greens, beans, and sweet potatoes to boost nutrients and keep texture pleasing. Avoid high-mercury ingredients and limit overly salty broths to manage blood pressure. If nausea is present, try ginger and mild seasoning for comfort. Store leftovers in airtight containers and reheat gently to protect nutrients and flavor. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple pregnancy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can spend more time cooking and less time sweeping. It's a small shift that feels huge during nesting season and busy meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by gently sautéing onion, garlic, and ginger in olive oil for flavor without heavy spice. Add chopped vegetables and just enough low-sodium broth to cover them, then simmer until tender. For a creamier soup, blend half the pot and stir back in for body while keeping some chunks for texture. Taste and season gradually, then cool slightly before serving to ensure safe, comfortable temperature for pregnancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.